Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on registering and adding a domain to your WordPress website. In this guide, you will be taken through a series of steps designed to simplify the process, starting from accessing WordPress and leading all the way to completing your domain purchase and connection. The approach in this tutorial has been developed to ensure clarity and ease of understanding for everyone, whether you are new to website management or simply looking for a refresher. Begin by opening your browser and heading to the WordPress website. Once the site loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you will find the login option. Clicking this option will initiate the process of accessing your website's dashboard. It is important at this moment to familiarize yourself with the interface so that you feel confident as you progress. After clicking on login, you will see an option to continue with Google. Opting to continue with Google leverages your existing Google account for authentication, which is a quick and secure method of signing in. When you choose this option, a list of your available Google accounts may appear. If you are signed into more than one, select the account you wish to use with WordPress. This step ensures that your website activities are linked to your chosen Google identity, making management simpler in the future. With your account successfully connected, you will now be taken to your WordPress dashboard. The next phase focuses on accessing the Upgrades section. To proceed, navigate to this section by following the directions provided in an original guide found on a trusted domain. This page is where you can manage various enhancements and settings for your website. Being on the Upgrades page places you in the ideal position to explore additional features, including the domain management tools. From the Upgrades area, smoothly transition to the Domains section. On this page, you will have an overview of the current domains associated with your website, along with the option to add a new domain. The process is designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to manage your site's web addresses with ease. With the domains page in view, move on to the next carefully guided step. On the domain management page, locate the option to add a new domain and click on it. This action opens a new interface where you are prompted to type in the domain name that you wish to connect. It is critical to double check the spelling and format of your chosen domain to avoid any issues during the registration process. Accuracy at this stage will prevent potential complications later on. After entering your domain name, click on the selection button to confirm your choice. This step is a confirmation of the domain you have typed in, ensuring that you have made the correct selection. Once confirmed, it is time to proceed to the final part of the process. The guide now directs you to click on the purchase option, marking the start of the payment process. This final step involves paying for the domain, which then connects it to your WordPress website. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to complete your payment. Once the transaction is successful, your new domain will be fully integrated with your WordPress site. By following these clear and detailed instructions, you can confidently register and add a domain to your WordPress website. The process is straightforward and thought out step by step to ensure a smooth experience, allowing you to manage and personalize your online presence effortlessly. Enjoy the freedom and added professionalism that comes with having your own domain.